Hello everyone, we are going to look into dynamic columns. Okay, but before that, let me show you an example how it works. We look up, so I'm looking up for this detail Sam, right? And then table array that I'm looking into is this. So let me fix this by pressing F4 and then column index number. So I'm looking for pizza. So pizza is in number column 2. Number 1 is student name and pizza is number 2, so 2. I type 2 and then I will choose, after typing comma, false match, close the bracket. Cool. So I drag these details down and I could see for Raj he has consumed 45 pizzas, for Nikki has consumed 38 pizzas, and it's 34. Cool. Okay, now if I want to find out the details for Sam, how many burger, chicken nuggets, fruit bowl, ice creams he has consumed, will it be possible? No. Why? Because I'm looking for only column number 2. What does the column number 2 says? It says only pizza's details are available. So I need to find out for all the other details. That's when we will deal with it little differently. So let's see how it works. So we look up, I'm looking up for Sam. Okay, for time being, let me fix this also by pressing F4 button for time being, and then choose the table array. Okay, and then press F4 for my keypad. Okay, fix it, and then column number 2. So I cannot be choosing column number 2 because I have to find out details for burger, chicken nugget, and others as well. So that's when I use this columns and then open bracket. For now I'll choose this 2, student's name and pizza, and fix it for time being. It'll be easy for us to understand. Close the bracket, type comma, and choose false match and close the bracket. Cool. So now if I would drag it towards my right, will I get the details accurately correct? No, I wouldn't be able to get the right details. So what I would do now is I'll have to make some changes here. So let me go here. So I have fixed column I. Okay, so I'm looking for this details. That's absolutely fine. And what does it say? It say that row also is fixed. So I wouldn't want the row to be fixed, because if I have to drag it down, the row changes, right? So let me remove this. Okay, and then table array, this is all is correct. That's absolutely fine. So now when I come here, it says A1. Okay, student name, it's all fixed. Okay, that is absolutely fine. And then it says when I drag towards my right side, it will just pick details from column B, so which is not required for us, right? So I'll just remove this and remove this as well. I want all the details to reflect, and then false match. So now it's very much clear that I want to drag and find out more details about burger, chicken nugget, fruit bowl, ice cream for all these participants, right? So I just press enter and see if it works. Okay, and then drag it down. Okay, let me check this now, cross check. Okay, so for Sam, I have Sam here. I have 66, 87, 95, 63, 85, 85, 63, 95, 87, 66. Absolutely right. And then when I look into the details for, say, Raj, okay, say Mickey, I have details here. Okay, so for Mickey, pizza it's 38, right? 341 burgers, okay, and 82 chicken nuggets, okay, 178 fruit bowl, and 82 ice cream. Okay, so likewise all the other details are also right. You can cross check with other details as well. So the data is very huge. You can see 35, 98, 9, 90, 67, right? So if you look into this details for Guru, 35, 98, 6, 90, 67, it's absolutely right. So that's how we work on dynamic columns. Thank you so much. Have a great day.